Hey everybody, it's Charlie from Daily Motor, and we don't do a ton of drives like this here on DM, but I thought this opportunity was too good to pass up. We are out here in the beautiful canyon roads outside of Los Angeles, really north of Malibu, if you will, south of Woodland Hills, and we've got some excellent cars today, including this 911 Carrera T 7MT, the true driving enthusiast's Porsche. And I am joined with what you'll see back there, a Maserati MC20, and Chris Brower is in the Mercedes AMG SL63. We're about to go do a little drive. Chris is shooting for Winding Road. Tom is shooting the car for his channel, and I wasn't going to shoot anything. I was just going to enjoy, but I figured I'd bring you all along with me. This is going to be just a quiet, I might say a few things, but man, the wind is blowing. We're just going to enjoy the car. We're just going to go for a nice, great drive, because that really brings in the essence of what is owning a 911 Carrera T, or really it should be any T model Porsche. So I'm going to get out of the wind and get behind the wheel. We already have a separate DM quick drive on this car, so this will really be a DM quick drive supplement, I suppose. Turn the air conditioning off. We're just going to drive. It's going to be nice. truck is able to do too high of speeds, although perhaps he's widened his wheels in order to improve his center of gravity there and make it a little less tippy. Doesn't seem like he's the type who would move for a quicker car, but I guess we'll just sit and enjoy. Oh, I love this section too. That's a bummer not to get to do this one. This section of road is quite a bit tighter than the previous one. I'm not going to push it all the way 10/10ths or anything. I'm just going to kind of enjoy the feel of the car and the changes in the road and just appreciate how much you can feel with this car. Bit of a rear end coming out back there. Nothing the car can't handle. Right over this hill is pretty incredible. it's still one of the best. You drive so many other things, and then you get back in a Porsche, and you're like, oh yeah, these people care the most about driving. It's so evident. The SL's got a lot going on. The Maserati's pretty incredible from a power standpoint, but give me this. I would just drive these roads over and over and over again, just like that, and truly enjoy driving. A good way to wrap up the day. Well, thank you all so much for watching. I know it's going to be windy when I get out, so I might as well just end things here. If you want to see our DM quick drive on this 911, check the link in the description. And we'll have all of our other reviews of the cars we're driving there as well. And we'll see you on the next one. I'm Charlie from Daily Motor, and as always, drive on.